When you receive your harness, it will come in two parts. The back strap and the jock strap are attached, and you will also receive the clear strap and an attachment bar. Remove your harness from its packaging and separate the back strap from the jock strap by detaching them at the split ring as so. To adjust the length, use the slider shown and slide it down towards the jock strap to make it shorter. To flatten out the strap, pull the excess through the slider nearest to the end and then pull the slider back, ready for the back strap to go through in the next step. To make the strap longer, pull the slider the opposite way. Now we're going to adjust the back strap. Using the large slider, move this along the back strap to adjust its length to the size most comfortable for you. Once you've found the best length, take your back strap and put each split ring through the loop created at the end of each strap coming from the jock piece. Tighten the loop around the back strap to secure it by adjusting the small slider. Same applies for the other side. This is what you should have so far. Pick up your STP Pro or OG and your clear band. Then fold your clear strap at the end so that you can easily slide the strap through the hoops of the STP like so. Next, take the clear band and install it onto your back strap via the split ring. Make sure your clear strap isn't twisted before you do this. Same applies for the other side. Using our new jock strap ladder system, place the bar into your preferred slot. These slots allow you to wear your STP a little higher or a little lower based on your preferences. Next, attach your bar to the hoops of your STP like so. This is what you should have so far. And finally, the funnel. This will sit on the jock strap and go through the hole and can then be gently pushed into the opening of the STP. The ridges on the funnel are engineered to be leak-proof and secure. You can adjust the distance of the STP from your body by pushing the funnel further in for a tighter fit or out for a longer reach. Your OG or Pro STP harness is ready for you to step into. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to comment below or find us at any of the socials in the video description. For this step, we recommend using a large blunt needle to help pull the clear strap through the ladder. If you don't have this tool to hand, fold the end of the strap so it's smaller and easier to pull through. Using our new jockstrap ladder system, pull the clear strap into your preferred slots. These slots allow you to wear your STP a little lower or higher. Next, take the clear band and install it onto your back strap via the split ring. Make sure your clear strap isn't twisted before you do this. Repeat on the opposite side. Once you reach this point, pass through the funnel from the back of the hole in the jockstrap, then place it into the opening of the STP. The ridges on the funnel are engineered to be leak-proof and secure. You can adjust the distance of the STP from your body by pushing the funnel further in for a tighter fit or out for a longer reach. Your basic STP harness is ready for you to step into. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to comment below or find us at any of the socials in the video description.